This is another bowl that's recently made that has a surprisingly good sound. This is a thin-walled bowl, very large for its weight, 658 grams, and just a hair over 7.5 inches, and gosh, a good a hair under 4 inches deep. That's pretty good. Nice reliable dimensions. It's amazing you can get that size out of that little weight, and the way you do it is by making thin walls. Thin wall bowls tend to have more rattle and shimmy, but if you can get one that works, the note has great character. And this one's pretty darn good. Listen to this. It's a very nice note. Has some warmth and depth to it and body. Sustain.